Hi guys, welcome back to another video in which I'm going to show you to build something. This time it will be the micro brick battle M3 Lee tank, American tank, and I'm going to show you how to build this in a second. It's a very cool micro brick battle design. I think it's from Jitsi again, made for Brickmania, my micro brick battle game. Go check out microbrickbattle.com for all the explanation on this game. And I have actually this exact version how Brickmania released it, and I made a little update on the same thing. So I'm going to show you in the second part how to do the update that I did on it, but first the original. And I hope you guys enjoyed that one too, and I leave it up to you which one you like the most. I'm very interested in what you think is the best. Well, yeah, in a couple of seconds, like normally, I will show you the parts list on how to all the parts you need to make this one. But before I go that way, I'm going to show you some other stuff that I've got in my collection, like this one. Despite its size, you might think this is a micro tank again, but it isn't. This is the Goliath rolling tank mine. Isn't that attract tank mine is the correct answer. It design is by Project Azazel. He donated to my channel and I modified it a little bit, and I made a tutorial video on that one, and you can see that one over there. So if you want to build this little mine, tracked mine, go check out that video. And over here we have the big brother of this little Lee, the brick the micro minifig scale Lee, and this one is designed by Cassie. Cassie is one of the designers at OmahaBricks, and she did an amazing job on this one. Go check that out. What a beast this is. It's truly an amazing design. And yeah, if you want to build this one, I'm not going to do a tutorial on it because building instructions aren't that expensive to buy at OmahaBricks.com. Put a direct link to this tank in the description. It has all the turrets it needs. Moving gun over here. You can pull this on off. Opening hatches there, over there, over there. View port over there. Opening hatch over there. A lot of perfect features on this one, and look at this. All that sloping, she got that so good, so good. I absolutely love this tank, and I absolutely am super happy to have this one in my collection. Despite this being a Lego tutorial channel, I did build this one with Go bricks from WW2, and as you can see, no Lego marking on the studs, but the quality of the bricks are amazing, equally to Lego. I would say 99% equally. If you want to check out, if you want to buy, no, let me say this like this. If you want to build this tank, half the cost it would cost if you bought Lego parts, go check out WW2. I put the link in the description, so you can find that website. You can upload part list, XML part list, just like by at bricklink.com, and you get a sorted bag with just the parts for your model. It's perfectly shipped, really cool. It takes a little bit longer than the average Bricklink seller does because the parts come from China, but normally all the orders I do are at my house within a month, so acceptable for me. So bricks, WW2.com, check out the link in the description, and the design of this awesome tank by Cassie on OmahaBricks.com, also link in the description. For now, I'm going to show you the parts list for this one and the steps how to build this micro tank. So you have built the original Brickmania version. Now I'm going to show you my updated version. I'm doubting myself if this gun is like this long enough, because take the big boy next to it, you can see the gun is sticking out a bit, and here it's staying inside. So I'm doubting this is a good modification. Probably is not, so you can lose that part and just keep the old version. But what I do like, if I say so myself, is instead of adding square 1x1 slopes tiles to the side, adding these round tiles to the side, which make the shaping of the turret a little bit more like it should be. I think, is my opinion. Don't shoot me if you don't agree. Just say it if you don't agree in the comments. But if you want to see how to build it like this, I will show you in a couple of seconds. Once again, the parts list. Look up in your parts bin if you have those parts, and yeah, follow the steps after that. That was it. You have now the option to build two different types, but yeah, either way you can build yourself an M3 Lee. And if you want this one, once again, OmahaBricks.com, get your building instructions, get your parts from Bricklink Lego own parts, or if you like to be cheaper, get those Go bricks from Rebrick, and check the links in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video again. Bye bye.